I just received my pathway or walkway lights. That's the design on them. It shows on the outside. These are the 6000K. They're really bright white. And they also have many other colors and sizes, like how many you buy. This is a 10-pack here. So you get your post on the bottom. You have your top part. Now there's a little piece of plastic to remove on there. That's the first step. Peel that off. Now they have these packed already. It comes with a rechargeable battery and it's threaded on top. All you have to do, simply, let me take that piece off. Just thread them on. I found this easier to do before you push them down into the post. Okay, make sure that is on the whole way. As soon as I cover this, you can see it starts to glow. It's a little bit bright in here, so it's hard to see. Next step, press that right on. Pull the post out. Slide that in. You're good to go. Just put these into the ground. As soon as it gets dark, I'm going to go outside and show you what they look like outside. But again, really nice design, compact. That way they're not real big and bulky, but they're going to broadcast a good size light. So these come in a 10-pack, but they have other sizes and colors, so check them out. Well, before it turns dark, I realized I should just go into another bedroom and I'll show you these. So here you can see just how bright those are. You can see it broadcasts the design. But again, we'll show you outside, that way you can see what it looks like on the ground and how much of a pathway it lights up. So it's just starting to get dark, but you can see how it broadcasts a nice pattern. So that does light up the walkway pretty good. Check them out.